Hello, I'm Jonathan at Percussion Welder, and I'm going to walk you through the 858 Percussion Welder.
So this setting here determines the actuator voltage, which sets the speed that the materials are forged together. This is the delay that determines the time in milliseconds between when the actuators fire and the weld discharges. This is the weld voltage. Then we have a choice of 1, 2, or 3 cap banks. Polarity of the weld. A long and a short pulse determining how long the weld takes to discharge. And if you need more than 3 caps, we also have a heavy duty setting available. This is the bench fixture, and we have movable and stationary sides to it. You can put your weldments in either both sides, or if you have a tab material or something else in a special configuration, you can put both of them in the stationary side and use a striker to forge them together. When you start depressing the lever, it's going to move the movable portion back by your gap, and when you depress it fully, it's going to fire the actuators, followed by the weld current. So we heat the materials on their way to being forged together.
Right, so that's the Percussion Welder. Check out percussionwelder.com for more information and to find out how percussion welding can solve your joining challenge. Thanks.